afternoon and welcome. My name is David Yoshihara and I'm the superintendent for Griffin Technology Academies. I'm so excited that you'll be considering one of our schools for the upcoming school year. I do want to assure you, however, that in this whole process, for us, a priority will always be safety. We know during these unprecedented times you may be worried about coming to school and in-person instruction, and I want you to know that we have safety as our priority and our focus each and every day. So regardless of whether we have remote learning, whether we do hybrid learning, or whether we return to full in-person instruction, safety will always be the priority. For this coming year, we have lots of new things we're very excited about. We have lots of traditions at our schools. At Griffin Tech Academies, we have something called Expedition Week that happens twice every year in the fall and in the spring. And any student who attends the middle school or the high school, we have the opportunity to participate in that. At MIT, we also have a host of traditions at that school, including a year-end trip for both our 8th grade and our seniors, which is a big deal for those who have been coming to MIT middle school and high school. So this is a very exciting time, certainly a nervous time, but very exciting time as we look forward to welcoming next year's class to our schools. The next step in this process, should you be interested, is to attend a Q&A session where we will be happy to answer any questions, concerns that you may have regarding our schools. Thank you so much for considering Griffin Tech Academies, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Yoshihara, and thank you to students and parents for joining us. Welcome to Griffin Technology Academies. During this virtual open house, you will learn a little bit about our 4 completely free, no-cost charter schools and what we have to offer. Griffin Technology Academies has 2 campuses with a middle and high school at each location. Mare Island Technology Academy and Griffin Academy, each offering a rigorous, unique, equitable, and safe education for everyone, regardless of income or grades. Here are some quick facts about each of our schools. At Griffin Technology Academies, all schools provide free device for use during enrollment, structured study support, free or reduced lunch programs, mentoring or advisory programs, and student clubs and events.
Typical day at Griffin Academy starts with our leadership class, and this is the first period of the day where our students meet with their teachers, and it's their home student community. In this class, our students are engaged in social emotional learning curriculum. They're also setting goals for the rest of the week. They are engaged in looking at their own learning plans and thinking about what will make them successful for the week. The next part of the day is another class called self-directed learning time, and during this class, students are learning how to manage their own time, similarly setting goals. They are learning how to review and study for assessments. They're taking notes. They're collaborating with their students. They'll be in workshops with their teachers. They are taking ownership of their learning and also doing what they need to be successful in all of their classes. So it's an incredibly structured study hall class that's paired up with their core classes as well.
So a typical day at MIT during the current pandemic usually is students going to classes. We have 4 days a week, a block schedule, and another day where we have 2nd through 8th period where students attend all of their classes. Ultimately, students go through the classes and they are getting about 75 minutes of instruction for the block scheduling. And in terms of the non-block scheduling day, the students are getting about 45 minutes of instructions. Students typically are going class to class, and they're learning a variety of content as they do in most other schools. And their experience is very interactive with teachers. Teachers work with students to make sure that each and individual student is getting all the support they need. So as the students go through the day, they go from class to class, and they're able to connect with their teachers, and afterwards, on multiple days throughout the week, they have office hours. They can connect with their teachers afterwards. So our students get a great deal of support, and they're able to essentially connect with their teachers daily. Even if they don't have that class on a block schedule, they can go visit those teachers in the office hours.
So student life is a little bit different during COVID, but we're trying to find opportunities for our students to engage with one another. Part of what's missing in school right now is the interaction that students have with one another and the socialization that is also a part of learning and growing in schools. Part of the after-school program is helping us accomplish that. There are student clubs that our students can engage in. Our teachers are also trying to do activities. We have a parent-teacher-student association that is incredibly active and also trying to do virtual events. Like for Halloween, we had a virtual costume contest for our students to come and win prizes. While not ideal, we're trying to do our best to connect with our students and families during these times.
Yeah, so students during this time have found different ways to connect. We've had grade level celebrations where students are able to meet with their entire class and celebrate their experiences so far in the semester. In regular non-COVID times, students have a variety of clubs they can get involved with. We have also competition type of programs like academic decathlon that students are involved with during non-COVID times. Overall, our school has a fair amount of clubs, and clubs like Key Club. The clubs that we have here are interactive, and through our ASB program, students are able to participate in some of those clubs, but overall, during this time, there's not as many clubs active because a lot of those require in-person participation. So our students are doing their best to interact at a level through ASP and also through things like grade level celebrations and other events that we have here or events that we have virtually.
What I absolutely love about Griffin is the opportunity to work with a small and intimate group. We are a family. It's not just students, it's the faculty and the families that are involved in this process. Really getting to know families and our students, that's been great. It's a little bit harder during COVID, but just being able to connect with everyone at our community events when we're back in normal and real life, that's been the best part of my transition from teaching at MIT and helping start Griffin.
Working at MIT is something that I look forward to every day. It's an amazing environment. It is an amazing experience. The students are wonderful. The families are wonderful. And it really just brings happiness to my daily experience, just in that I'm able to see this amazing school in this amazing city really take shape, and it continues to grow, and we're looking at expanding the campus. So being here is just a wonderful thing, and I really enjoy my daily experience, and I look forward to continuing to work here.
Thank you so much for your interest in Griffin Technology Academies. We hope to welcome you all as Griffins this next school year. For more information or to register, please visit our website at griffintechnologyacademies.org and click the Apply Here button. Additionally, if you would like to attend a live virtual open house and ask us about our programs, please email us at amarillo@mitacademy.org or keep an eye on the website for any events you would like to attend. Again, thank you very much for taking the time to learn a little bit more about our school. Have a great day.